Hey everyone, on the Welver channel today, I'll show you what to do if there's no passkey or if it's prompting you to create one. Overall, that's a pretty bad situation. Unfortunately, you'll probably have to reach out to support since there's nothing you can do on your own. But if you have at least one login to the account, you can try going through security here. That two-factor authentication, you can do something with it. Yeah, try entering your password. But if that doesn't work, you'll have to contact support. Click on Help. Yes, here you can describe the issue, but without revealing any personal data. There. And we'll search for Google support email. Ah, they don't even have personal support. Then you'll need to fill out the account recovery form. For that, you'll need to add another account. So enter the email address of the account you need to recover. Click Forgot Password and enter your old password. If not, click Try another way. Once more. There. And then you'll need to try to recover it. Click Recover here, and we already have an account recovery in progress. In about 72 hours, you'll get an email that you can use to fully restore your account. There. And that's basically it. This was Welver. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you.